My name is Shashank Belkhede. I am a finance professional and qualified company secretary. Presently, I am working in a company as CFO. I live in Janki Nagar, Indore. I got to know about this product of yours through one of my relatives. We happened to be at their place and then we found that lift, and immediately it struck us that yes, this is the product we were looking for. When I studied over the internet, I found that this is one of the safest lift and most good looking, and this requires nominal customization. This lift fits in the existing houses which requires nominal customization or civil work. Hardly it requires either core cutting or connecting platforms. In this machine, there is no requirement of any pit or any machine headroom. Enhances the aesthetics and the beauty of the house because this is unlike the traditional lifts. The power consumption of this product is also very nominal, and since we have got a solar panel installed at our house, so even that power consumption is also reduced, or that cost is also very minimum in our case. It has got the best quality safety features and the ease of convenience to operate. That is also very good in this product. As you can see that the interior of our house is exactly matching with the lift, or the lift is matching with the interior design or the decor or the color theme of the house. So it is perfectly matching, and I really like this product, and I would love to recommend to all my friends who are looking for this kind of product.